Serrano peppers. They were bought for me. Never heard of them before. And never had them before. And they look like a jalapeno. I'm gonna try it out today and see where this takes me. Now it says hot and spicy Serrano peppers. I don't know where this was bought at. So that's what it looks like. And I'm suspecting it's gonna be like a jalapeno pepper. Give it a minute. Obviously I cannot eat that whole thing in a bite, so I'll cut off the stem. I want to keep the tail though. It smells kind of sweet, kind of like a juicy flavor. I'm curious to see if these are hot or not. Smells a little heatish, so I guess we'll find out. There we go. There we go. That's a bite now. Alright, this is the Serrano peppers, hot and spicy pepper I've never heard of or had before, so I have no idea if it's hot or not. But I'm gonna find out. Here we go. It's really juicy. It's got some heat. As you can see, it's not really bad because I'm eating the rest of it. It was a good pepper. Not like real hot, but it was a little bit of heat. Just a little bit. But it was very good. A lot of juice in it. It kind of tasted like a jalapeno too, a little bit. It was probably a little bit hotter than a jalapeno pepper, but the most that I got from this was a lot of juice. It was good. I enjoyed that.